In this video, we are going to see how to send data to your AWS S3 bucket using Flask. Alright, so I've created this small website from where you can choose your file and then you can upload it. So let's choose a file. Let's take this. So it says upload done, and now we will check on our AWS bucket. Sorry, refresh this. So right now you can see there I have two files now. Yes. So what we'll do is now we will look into the code part. So before we get into the code part, I'll tell you about AWS S3 bucket. So I had already created one bucket, Hackershrine test. So what we'll do now is we'll create another bucket now. So here you can say, let's say, Hackershrine. The bucket name should be unique, otherwise it won't accept. So if I already have this, so it says bucket name is already owned by you, right? So we'll see Hackershrine. All right, and let's go next. So don't do any changes on this part. Next, so for the permissions part, you need to uncheck block all public access. So you're going to give access. You're going to give public access. So I acknowledge that the current settings may result in the bucket and the objects within becoming public. So I acknowledge this. I go down. It says do not grant S3 log delivery group right access to its bucket. Let's grant that permission. All right, and we'll say next. So it's review it, and we'll create a bucket. So yeah, we have a bucket, and in this bucket there are no items, right? So now we go to our code, and we are going to use Flask for this. So this is the file. So to upload data, we are going to use Boto 3. So you want to connect your AWS to your Flask. So to do this, you use boto3.client, and then you provide the service that you want to connect to. Now to connect your particular account to this to your Flask, you need to give the access key ID, the secret access key, and the token. So for my particular account, I'm using an educate account right here, and I have around 170 credits. So when you click on account details, so in the CLI part, you will find the access key and the other secret keys and the token as well. So you copy this, and then you can use it, and you can directly paste it here in this part. So right now I'm taking it from another Python file, which is the key config file, and then I'm importing it, and then I'm using the keys. So you can directly put it here also. It's the same thing. All right, then we have the bucket name. So we just created a bucket, and so we will use that bucket now. Right, so we'll save this. So what I have right now is I have a file upload to s3.html file. So let's look at that file. So I have this file. So in this file, there's only two things. One is the input type file, and the other is the upload button, which is of type submit. All right, and for this, I'm using Flask, right? So I have the action which takes me to the Flask upload function /upload function, and the method is post. All right, so whenever I click on the submit button, it's going to trigger the /upload function in my Flask application, right? So it comes over here. All right, so it's going to check whether it's a post method or get method. So it's a post method, right? And then we are choosing a file. So we have chosen the file. So this particular thing that you write over in this bracket is what you write here, the name, right? So if here I have write file 1, then make sure you have the same thing here also, otherwise it's not going to work. All right, so if I found an image, and then I'm going to go in this if statement because it's true now. I've chosen a file, and I'm using a secure file name function, which is imported from here. All right, and then I'm going to save the image, so with the file name that I've uploaded it. All right, now with the upload file underscore file button, you need to, this is where the file is going to get uploaded on your S3 bucket. So the parameters for this upload function is the bucket, the name of the bucket, the file name, and the key. All right, so when this particular if statement, when it goes inside the if statement is executed, is going to pop up a message which says upload done, and then I'm just returning the same file upload to s3.html file with that particular message. All right, so this is the entire code. There's nothing much in it, but it's a simple concept that you need to know, because you can use this in your larger applications when you're going to make something big, right? So what we'll do is, now we have changed the bucket name, so we'll upload it on this particular bucket, a file. All right, so let's restart our application. Restarting. Okay, it's done. Let's cut this. Yes, choose file. So we'll take another file now. Let's take this, and then we'll upload this. So it should work now. We have changed the name of the bucket only. Let's click on this again. So it says upload done. Now let's check our bucket. So we have nothing in the bucket. So let's refresh now. So we have got that particular image that we had uploaded. Okay. So this is how you do it. Actually, this is very simple, very simple. All right, so you can find this code, this particular snippet on my GitHub. I'll share the link in the description below. All right, thank you.